Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure H&R Block to upload 1099 forms and insurance income. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the H&R Block website. Log into your H&R Block account using your credentials. Once logged in, find the Tax Tools section on your dashboard. Click on Import to begin uploading your 1099 forms. Select the type of 1099 form you need to upload. Choose the source from where your 1099 form will come. You may need to input your financial institution's details for automatic retrieval. If you have a physical copy of your form, select the option to upload manually. Follow the prompts to upload your document. Ensure all information is correctly filled out before submitting. Next, navigate to the Income section of your account. Locate the subsection for reporting insurance income. Click on Add Income to start entering your insurance income details. Input the necessary information as required by the tax form. Double-check for accuracy before saving. Once all entries are complete, review your information summary. Make any adjustments if necessary. After reviewing, proceed to finalize your uploads and entries. Complete any additional sections as prompted by H&R Block. Finally, ensure that all documents are properly saved for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.